Locations impacted include High Point, Asheboro, Lexington, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy.
Oh! There! Oh my god! That's cool! My first DAS catch!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County, southeastern Davidson County, northern Anson County, Montgomery County, northwestern Richmond County, Randolph County, Stanley County, southwestern Chatham County until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Randleman to near Plyler, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy, Siler City, Maiden Lake, North Carolina Zoo, Pisco, Ansonville, and Goldston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Chatham, Davidson, Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, Richmond, and Stanley. The severe thunderstorm warning